told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Still be the end, yet you promised to never leave. And now you're gone, can't believe. I can feel the world slipping away as you slowly fade from my everyday. You promised forever a love without end, but now I'm left broken, struggling to mend. I thought we were so tied, destined for a lifetime, love with no end, love with no end. Staying in my imagination, memorizing the past time, the secrets, the love, the care. Now they're echoes in the air. I still see your face in every place, feel your warmth, your gentle grace. But now there's just an empty space, and I'm lost in this endless chase, keeping you in my heart, a piece of you I'll never let go. Though distance brings separation, in my heart you'll always glow. I just can't say goodbye, no matter how hard I try. A bond like ours, so deep and true, will always be if you stay or no. I thought we were so tied, destined for a lifetime, love with no end, love with no end. Life moves like tides, pulling me in at times, heartbeats and rhythms, same old tracks. Sunrises bring me hope, new day awaits, steps in the sand, my journey retraced. Losing grip and catching something somehow, laughing through tears, fickle and frail. Finding strength in the weak moment, show whisper when secrets unveil. Ebb and flow, the waves they crash and they go. Love's sweet embrace, pulling strings of my soul through storm and calm. I'm learning waves like tides, pulling me in at times. Heartbeats and rhythms, same old tracks. Sunrises bring me hope, new day waits, steps in the sand, my journey retraced.